This topic is quicksort algorithm. We arrange this array using quicksort algorithm. We enter the value in this array 8, 9, 1, 11, 5, 13, 3 and 12. This is my array and we insert this value and we choose any value as a pivot value. I choose the pivot value is 5. Then the be searching in this array left, right to left. Be when be searching this array right to left, we search a small value, and when we search left to right, then we search a greater value. Then start. Let's we search this array left to right to left. We search this array right to left. Then 3 is small than 5. Then 3 and 5 swap with each other. And now we search the right to left this value. Then 8 is greater value is comparison 5. Then 5, 8 and swap with each other. And now pivot value position is 0. And now we search the array right to left. Then 3 is a smaller value than 5. Then 5 and 3 value is swapped with each other. 3 and 5 swapped with each other. And let's see, the small value is left hand of pivot value and greater value is right hand pivot value. And now we search the left to right. Then 9 is great greater value than 5. Then 9 and 5 swap with each other. And 5 and 9 swap with each other. And pivot value is 1. Then we search array right to left. Then 1 is a small value than 5. Then 1 and 5 swap with each other. And and now 5 value is fixed. Then here right hand all values is big, and and small value is left hand. Then 5 value are not change, because let's see, the we search the value left to right. Then no value is greater than 5, and we search right to left. Then no value is small than 5. Let the value of 5 is fixed. Then this array divide in two array. First array is 3 and 1, and second array is 11, 9, 13 and 8, 12. Let's 3 and 1, 11, 9, 13, 8 and 12. 11, 9, 13, 8 and 12. 11, 9, 9, 11, 9, 13, 8 and 12. Let's let a pivot value is 1. Then we search right to left. No value is here right. And then we search the left value. Then left to right. Then 3 is greater value than 1. Then 1 and 3 swap with 1 is swap with 3. And this array is arranged 1 and 3. 1 is small and 3 is larger value. Then this is array is unsorted 11, 9, 13, 8, 12. Then we choose a 11 is a pivot value. Then we search the array right to left. Let's 8 value is small value, then 11 and 11 and swap 11 and 8 swap with 11 swap 8 with, and the position 8 and 11 is changed. Now pivot value is 6. Then we search the array right to left. Then 13 is big value than 11. Then 11 swap with 13. Then 11 and 13. The the pivot value. Left side of all values is small and right side all value is big. And we search the value is right right to left. Then no value found is small than pivot value. So and we search left to right, no value is found greater value. Then the value of pivot is no change with any value. Then the pivot value position is fixed. Then array is divided in two part. One is 8 and 9 and second is 13 and 12. 8 and 9 is array is sorted array, and 13 and 12 is unsorted array. We let pivot value is 12. Then the we search right to left, then no value is here. Then after we search the left to right, then then 13 is greater value than 12. Then 12 swap with 13. So the value is changed with each other. Then then array is sorted. Let's see the 1 and 3, 3 and 1 and 3 the sorted array, and this is sorted array, and 5 is value is fixed. Then 5 is value is 6 fixed, and position 2. Then we sorted this array, and 8 and 9 after 8 and 9 is sorted value, and after 11 is fixed value, then fixed value, and we sorted 13 and 12. 12 and 13 we sorted. Then 12 and 30 sorted. This is our sorted array. This technique work on divide and conquer technique. This is divide and conquer technique. This is we divide this array, and this is divide and conquer technique. Thank you so much. We discuss the program of this video, and we discuss the program of quick sort algorithm in next video. Thank you so much.